Delivery rider arrested in joint buy-bus operation in Katiklan. Isang 26 anyos na delivery rider mula sa barangay Katiklan, Malay, Aklan, arestado sa pagbibinta ng marijuana dried leaves sa inilunsad na buy-bus operation ng PDO Aklan PPO, PDEA Western Visayas, Malay MPS umaga ng Marso 8 sa Sitio Airport, Barangay Katiklan, Malay, Aklan.
Nakuha mula sa suspect ang isang brick suspected na marijuana dried leaves na tumitimbang ng more or less 1,000 grams, 18 sealed transparent plastic pack na naglalaman ng hinihinalang marijuana dried leaves at 23,000 pesos as buy-bus money. Sasampahan ng PIDEO ang suspect ng paglabag sa Section 5 selling at Section 11 possession sa ilalim ng Republic Act 9165 o Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002.
Tiniyak ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Rabilo na sa komunidad na kahit dumagsa ang mga turista sa Boracay, walang tigil na paglaban sa illegal na droga. To quote, the Malay PNP is unrelenting in pursuing any person or group involved in illegal drugs in Boracay Island and the municipality of Malay as a whole, unquote, said Police Lieutenant Rabilo, as he commended the operatives for the buy-bus operation.